The reason for the bass, I look like Jesus in the face. Now I don't pop shit, tracks don't speak, I just mop shit. Watch this, y'all don't eat, that's an optic, nonsense. I turn 3 to a 9-6 top pick. You gon' turn a 60 to a drop 6. I'm back and I've been running at the crib, I got it jumping at the door, I couldn't come and now they love me. All of a sudden everybody saying,
what's up, y'all? It's your boy Mr. from Now and Never Crew. We're in the mud. Did you see how much dirt I just got right there? It's for the love of it. In this video, we're gonna go over a little bit of a advanced, intermediate, whatever you want to call it. Look at this stuff. Top rock combo with a little bit of threads in it. Follow along, let's go. So at the beginning, we're gonna do Mr. Wiggles step. We're gonna go like this. Fake kick, right leg, boom. Then we're gonna hop into it, hit this way. We're gonna kick our back leg, left leg, backwards. Then we're gonna kick it forwards, boom. Then we're gonna go diagonal, top corner, hit. Then we're gonna go back, boom, forwards, hit, and together. One more time, just the feet, going 5, 6, 7, 8. Fake kick right, diagonal top, kick left backwards, then forwards, diagonal top, then kick your back leg, which is your right leg, straight back, front, and then left leg comes behind it. From here, we're gonna do a slide on our left foot, right leg gonna be drag, shoulders, pop, pop, just like this, going pop, pop, land. Again, here, going pop, pop, land. One more time, it further back, 5, 6, 7, 8, go kick, front, kick, kick, top, kick, kick, forwards, slide, hit, hit, land. From here, we're gonna do a crossover step on our right leg. That's in front, going like this, crossover in front. Then we're gonna do a 2-step front, boom, out just like this. Again, crossover, and again, boom to the front. Further back, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the slide, going 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide, hit, hit, boom. Then cross, hit, front, open, back, cross, front, hit, yeah? From there, we're gonna circle our front foot like this, right leg. One circle, land it. Then you go onto your toe, just like this, boom. Then your back leg is gonna twist it, hit sideways like that. After you twist it sideways, you're just gonna push it down, boom, with your foot, okay? So again, from the circle, going circle, up, turn, push down, yeah? So let's add that together, just from the slide. From here, from here, left leg, side back, shoulder, shoulder, land, going right crossover, boom, to the front, hit, crossover, boom, to the front, hit, then front leg, circles in, boom, land, pivot, push down, yeah? From here, we're gonna go into this step, we're gonna go front, like that, back leg is gonna come behind, boom. So your knee is gonna touch the inside of your left leg, boom, like that, okay? Then after that, you're gonna bring it up here, then you're gonna cross right leg, and then you go diagonal front up here. So we'll play with a lot of diagonals here, okay? Hit, like that. Further back, going from slide, shoulder, shoulder, drop, crossover, pose, crossover, pose, circle, up, pivot, drop, left leg, hits out, cross, cross, right. From here, we're gonna turn, left foot going down, right leg crossover, boom, figure 4 turn like that. But rather than putting your foot down, you're gonna bring it all the way here and land on it like that, okay? So from here, side, you can do 1 full rotation. Over, hit. So if you notice, I go on my heel so I can actually get a nice spin on it. Because if I go flat foot, I'm not gonna be able to spin. And on my toe, I don't have enough balance. So again, going here, boom, land. When you land, grab your foot, okay? Now we do our little thread. We're gonna do our fake thread. So you're gonna bring your foot into your leg. As soon as your hand touches your leg, let's go a bit closer. You're gonna grab your knee, and then you're gonna bring your leg through. So bend down to bring it through. Then all the way around till you grab your knee. Once you grab your knee, bring it back, jump onto it, kick your leg front, boom. So again, let's go from here, hit, you go fake, through, sit down, around, and kick. From here, you're gonna go, from here, we land back on our foot, we bring our other hand to our knee, then we're gonna bring our opposite leg through. I know it's gonna be complicated, just try to follow. Then you go through, right here, don't worry about this hand. This hand is gonna connect like this. You're gonna pull up in the back, you switch to your other hand, like that. Then you're gonna do jump thread, boom, and then you're done. Okay, let's try that whole last section again. From, let's go here. We do circle around, hit, let me make sure I have space, connection, through, kick, and connection, through, behind, grab, jump thread, okay? So I know that last part is a little bit crazy, but take your time with it. And just remember, don't break your threads and don't move your hands over for your transfer style until your body part connects to the next body part. So if you go here and then you go to there, it's gonna look bad. Make sure you bring your leg in your hand to your other leg and then thread it through. Same for all of them, okay? Don't break your threads and don't preemptively transfer, okay? Let's try the whole thing. Top, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, hit, 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 kick, front, back, slide, shoulder, shoulder, drop. Then we go cross and open, cross and open, circle, up, push, down, out, cross, cross, out, spin, hit, pull in, around, kick, grab, through, and jump thread. So I know this is not a conventional kind of top rock or conventional threads, hence it being advanced, okay? And it's not all super fast because that's the whole point. When you get more advanced, you want to learn to add accents to it, add flow change, add flavor, and add kind of uniqueness to it. So it's kind of my own unique little look at a threading combo. So now let's just try out music, try to follow along. Let's go.
Niggas never let the crib. I went to Sweden for a play. Been dope, the reason for the bass. I look like Jesus in the face. Now I don't pop shit, tracks don't speak. I just pop shit, watch this. Y'all don't eat. That's an object, not sis. I turn 3 to a 9-6. Top pick, you gon' turn a 60 to a drop 6. I'm back and I've been running at the crib. I got it jumping at the door. I couldn't come in. Now they love me all of a sudden.
So notice last little points, kind of notice the accents I'm hitting. So the beginning, you're kind of going on and off beat, hence it being playful and unique, because if we're hitting every single beat is dope, but it's also cool to go on and off beat, so that's what we're doing here. And then right here is when you hit the first big beat with the slide, shoulder, shoulder, and that ding, ding, slap. Then this one's the first heavy beat, boom, boom, hit, boom, boom, hit, circle, hold, until you hear that next click, click. Then right here, you're hitting that spamming part, boom, boom, spam, right here, and then you hit the next hit, okay? Then all the threading, do it at your own speed, whatever you can do, whatever you find dope, whatever works for you, okay? Play with it, have fun. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and smash button for more videos. Make sure you hit me up in the comments down below if you'd like more choreo videos that aren't backlit like this. Also comment down below. I just want to play with the reflection there a little bit, that's why I shot it this way. Anyways, yeah, if you like more choreo videos, combo videos, let me know, comment below. See you guys next one.
Love is love. Love is love. Don't know everything, but I do know better. You in the spot, I'm leveling, you won't play me ever. I don't